China has just launched Manus, an AI agent capable of automating more than 50 tasks simultaneously, including social network service analysis, financial transactions, research, purchasing, and more.
Hi, I'm Pete from Manus AI. For the past year, we've been quietly building what we believe is the next evolution in AI. And today, we're launching an early preview of Manus, the first general AI agent. This isn't just another chatbot or workflow. It's a truly autonomous agent that bridges the gap between conception and execution. While other AI stops at generating ideas, Manus delivers results. We see it as the next paradigm of human-machine collaboration, and potentially a glimpse into AGI. Now let me show you Manus in action across 3 completely different tasks. Let's start with an easy one. In this example, we'll ask Manus to help screen resumes. I've just sent Manus a zip file containing 10 resume documents. Since each Manus agent has its own computer, it can work like a human. First unzipping the file, then browsing through each resume page by page, and recording important information to documents. Manus works asynchronously in the cloud, which means you can close your laptop anytime, and Manus will notify you when everything is complete. Of course, you can also give Manus new instructions at any time. Here I've sent Manus 5 more resumes. After carefully reading all 15 resumes, Manus provides the ranking suggestions, along with candidate profiles and evaluation criteria as supporting materials. This is pretty good, but I prefer a spreadsheet. Let's have Manus create one. Manus has its own knowledge and memory, so it can teach Manus that the next time it handles a similar task, it will deliver a spreadsheet right away. In this example, we'll have Manus conduct some research. It needs to filter New York properties based on multiple criteria. For complex tasks, Manus first breaks down and creates a to-do list. Manus begins by searching and carefully reading articles about the safest neighborhoods. Then Manus researches middle schools in New York. Next, Manus writes a Python program to calculate my budget. Based on my budget, Manus filters listings on real estate websites. Finally, combining all the information gathered, Manus writes a detailed report and compiles all the resources. In this example, we have Manus perform a correlation analysis between stocks. For professional data, Manus can access authoritative data sources through APIs. After validating the acquired data, Manus begins writing code for data analysis and visualization. For Manus, coding isn't necessarily the goal, but rather a universal tool for solving problems. It looks like Manus has completed the data analysis and visualization. But interactive data visualization is even cooler, so I asked Manus to create a website based on these data. With my permission, Manus deploys the finished website online and provides me with a shareable link. Let's see what Manus has created. What you've just seen is just a small sample of what Manus can do. In fact, on benchmarks designed to evaluate general AI assistants, an early checkpoint of Manus has already achieved state-of-the-art performance, and it's only getting better. Beyond benchmarks, Manus has been solving real-world problems on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, and has proven its capabilities on Kaggle competitions. This wouldn't be possible without the amazing open-source community.
Manus has been reported to outperform other systems. Yes, including those big players from OpenAI.
So
it's like Manus is the star athlete who shows up on game day and leaves everyone else in the dust.
Explore this agentic future together. The name Manus comes from the famous motto, Mens ad Manus, mind and hand. It embodies the belief that knowledge must be applied to make a meaningful impact on the world. And this is precisely the promise of Manus AI. To extend your capabilities, amplify your impact, and be the hand that brings your mind's vision into reality. We can't wait to see what you will achieve with Manus.
Let me introduce you to Manus. Now, this little marvel goes way beyond your run-of-the-mill chatbots. Picture an intern who not only makes coffee, but also juggles coding and dives into data analysis, like it's a pool full of fun. This remarkable versatility really sets Manus apart in the vast ocean of AI, like a fish wearing a top hat. And did you know? The brains behind this gem, Monica, really believes in putting knowledge to good use. They think folks should actively utilize it to get real-world results. It's almost like turning food into leftovers. Who wants to waste a good meal, right? And let's not forget, the name Manus comes from Latin, which means they're not just throwing around buzzwords like confetti. Now hold on to your knitting needles. When Manus launched on March 6, 2025, the excitement was through the roof. People were scrambling to get their hands on those coveted invitation codes like kids at a candy store. And guess what? The resale market went bonkers, with prices skyrocketing faster than Aunt Edna's famous pies disappear at Thanksgiving. Speaking of tasks, Manus has a whole team of agents working like a well-oiled machine. Each one specializes in different areas such as planning, execution, and result verification. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly when to fetch the coffee and when to remind you about that pesky dentist appointment. This division of labor really boosts efficiency, sort of like that time you finally organized your sock drawer. And you won't believe the amazing things Manus can do. It's already helping folks screen job resumes and analyze stock data. Talk about versatility. It's like a Swiss Army knife, but cooler. Plus, it doesn't even need batteries. Just think of the various domains it's diving into, and you'll realize it's like a superhero in the world of technology. Now, there's this thing called the Gaia benchmark, which measures how well AI assistants perform on real-world tasks. And guess what? Manus has been reported to outperform other systems. Yes, including those big players from OpenAI. It's like Manus is the star athlete who shows up on game day and leaves everyone else in the dust. The media is buzzing, drawing comparisons between Manus and landmark AI systems like ChatGPT. They're practically giddy with excitement over its transformative potential. It's like watching an old-timey movie where the underdog becomes the hero. Everyone's waiting to see how this storyline plays out. Now here's a juicy tidbit. Gartner is predicting that AI agent adoption will blossom from a modest 21% in early 2024 to a whopping 80% by 2026. Can you believe that? It's like watching your beloved garden suddenly burst into a flower extravaganza. And guess where Manus is in all of this? Right at the forefront, ready to take full advantage of this blooming market. Manus is really strutting its stuff with practical applications. It's enhancing sales strategies for businesses and even competing in coding challenges. Just imagine it as a versatile contestant on a game show, dazzling everyone with its talent. This could have a significant impact across various sectors, like a pop quiz that actually helps you remember where you left your glasses. And hold on, because users are flipping Manus invites for thousands of dollars. Yes, you heard me right. It's a hot commodity, like grandma's secret cookie recipe. This shows just how much demand and perceived value this platform has. It's as if everyone wants a piece of the action, and it's absolutely thrilling. Now, let's address what really sets Manus apart from the traditional chatbots. It possesses the superpower to autonomously perform tasks, like running scripts and compiling data. It's almost like a robot version of a magician who actually pulls rabbits out of hats. This could genuinely redefine what we expect from AI applications, shaking things up a bit like a fresh batch of cookies. Finally, we can't overlook the competition. Major players like OpenAI and Google are also in the ring, keeping things spicy. The effectiveness and scalability of Manus will determine its success against these tech giants. It's like watching a nail-biting finale of a game show where you just can't wait to see who takes home the trophy. Grab your popcorn.